Hey everyone, and welcome. So, here's a question for you. How does incredible research from a country of over 1 billion people get its voice heard on the world stage? Well, today we're diving into a research paper that shines a light on one key organization in India that's acting as this powerful bridge connecting brilliant local minds to the global conversation. Let's see how they're doing it.
But first things first, let's make sure we're all on the same page. When we say research think tank, what are we actually talking about?
You can think of it as an idea factory. Seriously, it's an organization that's all about tackling the big global issues by creating and, really importantly, sharing powerful research. The goal? To shape the entire intellectual conversation around a topic.
Okay, so with that in mind, our focus for this explainer is a very specific think tank that's become a huge deal in India's research scene, Shodh Sagar. So, let's dig in. Section 1. A global research catalyst. We're going to try and understand Shodh Sagar's role in India. And what you'll see is that it's not just an Indian institution. It's really designed to be a spark, a catalyst that ignites research collaborations all over the world. So what is Shodh Sagar, really? The best way to picture it is as this vibrant, central hub for innovation that just breaks down old barriers. And it's not focused on just one thing. It covers the whole spectrum, from the humanities all the way to engineering. Its main job is to be a bridge, connecting Indian scholars with each other and, crucially, with the rest of the world. All right, next up, the pillars of excellence. We're looking at the 4 core principles that drive their quality. Because, an organization this ambitious doesn't just happen by accident. It's built on a solid foundation, these 4 core principles that guide pretty much everything they do. Let's break them down. So here they are. First, excellence in academic publishing. Second, promoting work that crosses different disciplines. Third, building those global collaborations. And fourth, and this one is huge, an absolute commitment to research integrity. You can kind of see how they all build on each other to create this ecosystem based on quality and trust. Let's zoom in on that 4th pillar for a second, the whole research integrity thing, because it is so important. Shodh Sagar uses what's called a double-blind peer review process. Now, what does that mean? Well, when a research paper gets submitted, the experts reviewing it have no idea who the author is, and the author has no idea who's reviewing their work. This is the crucial part. It completely removes potential bias. It means the research is judged purely on its own merits. How credible, how original, how good is the work itself?
Okay, Section 3, programs that power progress. Those principles are great, but how do you actually turn them into action? Let's look at the key initiatives Shodh Sagar uses to make its vision a reality on the ground.
They've got this 3-pronged strategy. First up, conferences and workshops. These are absolutely essential for researchers to show off their work and build those professional networks. Then, number 2, they run their own high-impact academic journals, which gives scholars a trusted platform to get their findings out there. And third, they offer fellowships and grants. So they're directly investing in the next generation of scholars and their groundbreaking ideas. All right, Section 4, making an impact. Now we get to the big question, right? Does all of this actually work? What is the real impact of these principles and programs? Let's take a look at the results. You could boil down their biggest achievement to this one powerful idea from the paper: elevating Indian scholarship on the international stage. It's really all about giving brilliant local research the global platform it absolutely deserves.
And this slide right here, this shows you exactly how that happens. See, on one side, Shodh Sagar provides this platform for top-notch research that is often super relevant to India. And on the other side, it works to plug those unique Indian perspectives into the huge global conversations happening around things like technology, sustainability, and social development. It's that vital link right in the middle.
So what does this mean for an individual researcher in India? Well, the outcomes are real and tangible. Their work gets seen by more people. They get global recognition. They become leaders in their fields. And maybe most importantly, their research becomes part of the global dialogue instead of being stuck in a silo.
So for our final section, let's zoom out a bit and think about the future. What does a model like Shodh Sagar actually mean for the global exchange of ideas going forward?
Well, the paper's conclusion is pretty clear on this. It says that Shodh Sagar isn't just a success story today. It's actually set up to become an even more crucial player in shaping the entire future of global research.
And that leaves us with one final big question to think about.
As our world gets more and more connected, think tanks like Shodh Sagar are building these new bridges for knowledge. It really makes you wonder, how will platforms that champion regional scholarship and then connect it to the world end up reshaping the global exchange of ideas for all of us? Something to chew on.